Namaskar friends. I will start chapter 4 Alternative Science for R and H. As I have already told you in the practice for alphabet consonant, R is written in two ways, that is downward R like this and upward R at 30 degree like this. But these two ways are represented in different way while writing shorthand. What are they? They are initial R is written downward when preceded by a vowel sound. If R is preceded by a initial vowel, if a vowel is used before position of the R, then downward R will be written as R downward, and this is O, or this is R, A, array. Arab, R, B, first position. But in in other cases, the general rule is that to write initial or final R downward. In other cases, the general rule is to write initial or final R upward when it is followed by a vowel. Means if R is followed by a vowel sound, and downward when it is not followed by a vowel. As in the words ray, it following vowel has been used here, but if it is R, air, preceding vowel has been used, so downward R will be written air, and this is P, R followed by a third place vowel, Perry. But par, P downward, because it is not followed by vowel. If it is not followed by vowel, then it will be written in downward position. Par. First position Terry. Terry. This is followed by a vowel. Third place vowel. Rare. Sherry. Ish. R. Sherry. R. This R is followed by vowel. Third place vowel. So sherry. But share. If share. This is second place vowel but not followed by vowel. So downward will be written in easy writing. Means this outline is easy while writing. Next is downward R is always written initially before M because of the easier joining. When before M this downward R is written for easy joining. Next is consonant H. H is also made in two ways. This is at 60-degree downward, and from here like this is upward. So the rule is the upward form of H is most commonly used. Most commonly H upward position from down to up. This position is used, but this from up to down, the downward form is written when the letter stands alone. If it is alone or it is immediately followed by K or G. If H is followed by K or G or alone, then downward he, hake, heg, this is like this will be used. But just like happy, upward H will be used. This is not single H. So HP, this outline will be used. Exercise number 13, read, copy and transcribe. This is dark B, downward R, bear. This is upward R, berry. D, downward dare. Because this R is not followed by vowel. This R is followed by vowel, so upward R has been used. This R is not followed by, so downward R is used. Like this. This Terry, has been, this R has been followed by vowel, so upward. Fair, F, downward R, because R is not followed by a vowel. This fairy, F, R, upward and third place vowel. Fairy followed by vowel, so upward R is used. Care, K, R, This is curry. This is core, not curry. Core. This is curry. This is repair. This R is not followed by vowel, so downward R will be used. Robbery. Root. Rotary. Rome. Roaming. Room. Roomy. Before M, this downward R will be written, whether it is followed by vowel or not followed by vowel. Rim. Rush. Rung. Wrote. Rally. Revenge. After revenge, rosy. Hope. Happy. Heavy. Hang. Hawk. Hog. So this exercise is over. Now I will come to exercise number 14 of the book. You have to write, this is arm, RM, first place, arm. This R is preceded by vowel, so downward RM. Aroma, RM, aroma. Orkney. So all these are preceded by vowel. Arcade, arrow. Now this is robe. So this is followed by vowel. So upward all. Ridge, road. Perry, R is followed by vowel. So P upward R. All these followed by vowel. So upward R. This is preceded by vowel. D. Preceded by vowel. Dear, jeer, gear, fear, wear, lure, rashi, Re, she, upward R. Writ, upward R. All these words will be written upward R. This is hook, H. Hook, this is downward R. Hook, hog, downward. Health, this is heath, upward hedge, upward hedge, hedge, downward hood, upward. So this exercise is also over. You have to transcribe this in your notebook. Now there are some grammologs based on this exercise. Grammologs are if you make this P through the line, P through the line or cutting the line, then put this word for making the outline of the put. This P will be made cutting the line. This is put. But if B is on the line B, then this B will be read. Next, cutting the line B to B. On the line T, it. Above the line D, had. Had. On the line D, do. Cutting the line D, difference, different. Che. On the line above the line much. On the line which. So this is the grammologs for which we have to write a single sign for making this, suppose difference, D will be cutting the line. Like that, these words will be used in this exercise. So I will transcribe. These are the sentences written in shorthand. So you have to transcribe this. The outline is given in the book. You have to make in English language. This is upward R, P, R. Repair of the. Repair of. You have to practice along with me. Repair of the road to the ferry to make a difference, full stop. Second, which of the two? Which of the two do they? Which of the two they से should this is P put up the fourth bill. They had to take a cutting the line different route to the heath. They hope to be at the fair to